Hi, I'm Matt and welcome to Accu Group's monthly competition video. Today we'll be announcing the winner of our November competition. We asked you to take a look at these two images of the iFixit Mako Driver Kit and see if you could spot the differences for a chance to win one for yourself. But before we reveal our November winner, it's time to get festive and launch our Christmas competition. Christmas is the time for giving, so this month we're giving one winner a Digital Caliper and a total of £250 to charities chosen by you. So for your chance to win, all we'd like you to do is nominate your chosen charity in the comments below. We'll be donating £50 each to 5 of these charities, and one entrant will be selected at random to receive the caliper. So let's find out who our November competition winner is. As many of you will know, the iFixit tools and repair kits were added to accu.co.uk last month and have been a fantastic addition to our range. November's competition prize, the Mako Driver Kit, contains 64 steel drive bits and 2 versatile drivers designed to help you fix your devices. The ideal Christmas gift for a budding engineer. As you can see circled here, the differences between these two images was 7. Thank you to all who entered and well done to everyone who spotted all the differences, but there can only be one winner. From all the correct answers, we selected a winner at random, and that person is Mark Balfe. So congratulations to Mark. The iFixit Mako Driver Kit will be with you shortly. So why not help us help others by nominating a charity in the comments below and be in with a chance of winning a Digital Caliper. We'll announce the results in the new year, so thank you for watching and have a great Christmas.